Okay guys, so we're going to be doing a small variety pack opening type thing. It's not going to be a lot. I think we're going to have 1 or 2 Madden Maxes. I'm going to do it on a couple of different accounts. I'm keeping those 20 ready to draft for a collab I have coming up. Go ahead and open these 3 Pro Packs. 81. 80. 80. 2 80s in that. Not a bad pack. Let's hop on the second account. I think we had some packs in every account. I don't remember. I just finished putting it all together. 11, yeah, we have to open these 11. Another Pro Pack. Nothing out of these on this account, really. Okay, these are going to be sort of boring. But maybe we can pull a 94. Before it's over, we got plenty of them to open. Nothing very good. So nothing on that. Go ahead and put that in the Madden Max set. Getting closer. We'll probably be doing a stream tonight with some more Madden Max. With W or L's. Third account. Probably not going to edit out changing account because that's sort of a waste. Y'all feel me? Got 26 more packs over here. So we had 26, 37. Oh, that's a good pack. So we're at 40 packs we've opened so far on all 3 accounts once we finish this. So nothing so far really. And don't forget to check out our new series, All Pack Team, episode 1. I know I had a series going, but we restarted it because every 5 episodes are going to be playing versus Christian Plays Madden Mobile in a game. He has the same series over there he's doing right now. That's how that's going to work. Y'all don't forget to like that video, watch it and like it. Turn on notifications for my channel, and subscribe, please. So, not much here. But we should be able to open a Mad Max over here. Not sure, we should though. Yes, I think we can open a Madden Max over here. That'll be sick. We get to open the Madden Max over here. Evo player pack. I don't know why I keep calling it Madden Max. I mean, it is. It's a Madden Max Evo player pack. Shoot for a 98. Want to pull like 2 96s ever. 96 Denzel Ward. Okay, I'm going to take the picture of that just in case it ends up being a screenshot. That might end up being our screenshot. Okay, we got 2 more accounts to do. Okay, so all we have on this account is an Evo. 98 Walter Payton on this account. That's nice, guys. Wait. Yes, let's go. That's a nice pickup. So we got 1 more account to check. I don't know if we have anything over there to open. Yeah, this is the All Pack Team. I don't think we have anything over here to open, guys. I think that might be the video. yeah, guys, so that's going to be the video I will be streaming tonight. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had 2 Mad Maxes to open, not many compared to what Brent and Nukill have been doing and stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is my all-pack team for the series versus Christian right now. He opened 100 packs. I only opened 7. But I had a bunch of diamond pulls for mine, because I opened some stacked packs. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We will be streaming with more Evo tonight. Thanks for watching.